Yo, what's up? This is Fahim here. Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be working on Tasha again. Going to be doing the alloys this time. Swapping out the silver 16-inch alloys standard spec for the SXI model to the black limited edition 17-inch alloys, and all my days. This guy has been telling me to do it for like an entire year.
Long time.
Should have done it for a year ago, but bought them for £200 and then selling my current ones for 125, which was, to be honest, is a bargain for alloys, but at the same time it's a good price for me to sell it. So basically I've only paid £75 for an upgrade. So if anyone wants to do it, I'd advise, instead of putting it off like I have for years, not for years, for 1 year, instead of putting it off, just get on with it and just do it. Look up
Best
how
thing
to do it. And literally I could have sprayed it for 75 quid like worth of spray paints and stuff like that, but now I basically paid 75 quid to get better shape alloys, better size, everything like that. I went all the way to Bradford to pick it up, so you'll see the adventure. But yeah, without further ado, let's go into the video. So look at this, we just picked up the alloys. Oh my god, there's one there, one underneath, one there and one squeezing there. But look at them, they look sick. Show up, Shahid. They look sick. Original black and 17 inch as well. And we're eating at Mahmoud's. That's beautiful. I mean, it looks quite dark. It looks very dark. No, it's fine, Shahid. Talk over you.
I epileptic.
And there's no better way to get a good connection with the wheels here than to eat off them first. Got a good chip holder, got the slush. I've been demoted to the back.
I'm driving home.
Alright, food review time. This is bloody shit. I don't know why people hype this up. Tastes like a bloody... Shad, what's that Asian supermarket, innit? Tastes like a cash and carry burger, but smaller. With bad cheese. The chips
The
was
cheese
good,
doesn't even taste special, it's just normal cheese.
It just tastes like standard. Fat Twins in Oldham is 10 times better than this. Oh my days, that looks flipping sick. It's obviously got a bit of dirt, but damn, that looks amazing. And the entire car, I've added about 50 bhp. Right, so content right now, yeah, basically, the breaker, the bar that we had, yeah, to open the wheel nuts, it wasn't working. and then we didn't have enough of obviously that force, so we're gonna leave it until tomorrow to take it to a proper garage place. I wasn't even gonna put my face in because man's got a deadly trim right now, but I went to this place and the guy let me borrow his breaker bar. Well, not even the breaker bar, it was just like an extension, and bam, look at the weather. Oh, it's calmed down. Obviously now it's calmed down, yeah, as soon as bloody recording. But thunderstorm outside, lightning, fog, everything. We're going to our Tesco car park underground. Gonna do that, me and Shai's come back out, kitted up, yeah, with 2 coats. Alright, so look at this. What we're entering here, yeah, is the base of operations. This is where everything goes down. All the meetups, all the car meetups, all the revvings, everything. Let's make sure we don't hit something on the way in. I can't see anything. Right, look at this. This is what we had before, but we were using a different one. But this is what comes with my car. Proper shot, not enough torque. And this is what the guy gave. All it does is just slot in, and it makes such a big difference.
Bye.
What are you doing over there?
We're testing it.
Right, even more content. So we fitted that side and the other side. So this side, right? Spot what's wrong. So all of the screws are out here, and I'm pulling on the wheel. It's definitely off the ground, but it's not coming out because it's bloody jammed on. So let's try and pull that off. Rent and bought some WD-40, so good thing we got Tesco. The stupid alloy isn't coming off. So what we've done is put these bolts back in, not fully snug, so hand tight it and then do one off so it's quite loose. All 4 of them in. Sprayed WD-40 in there and on the seal. I've tried hammering it out, it doesn't work. Took the jack off, so it's not fully tight in there, but it's on, secure so it won't fall off. And then I'm just gonna drive it back and forth.
Check the car out there.
Spotted. Right, flipping after so long, basically all I did was take the car. You can see it's a different position, spun it around there whilst it was loose and it actually came off. Jesus, look at this. My hands were like that, yeah. Like my feet can look like that. Are they feet or are they hands?
Is it puberty?
God knows, man. Right, thank you very much for watching this video. Hope you liked it. Smash the like button if you did, smash the dislike button if you didn't. The alloys look fucking amazing. It made such a big difference to the car. Honestly, the outside looks 10 out of 10 banging right now. Hopefully, like, you guys enjoyed the other videos. I don't know what order I'm posting these, as I've still got quite a few left to upload after this, I think. But if you do have any other suggestions, then leave them in the comments down below. Let me know what you think of the alloys again, and like always, like and subscribe. Like and subscribe for more, and yeah, see you next time. Peace. So I'd say, did I just spit? Fuck you guys, like you. Basically, yeah, so